Hey there, it's Sarah with WTI, and I have the problem of a very large purse with one pocket, so when I put things in the purse, I lose them. They just rolling around inside. So I'm really excited about this purse insert that I have. It keeps everything organized with all its multiple pockets, and I can place it in whatever bag I want to use that day. It's just so easy to transfer. It has a ton of different pockets. I love the fact that it's also zippered at the top, which means I can close everything up safely, and even if the bag I use doesn't zipper or close, I know the contents are going to be well protected. I'm really pleased with this bag insert. I love the fact that it has the zipper and tons of pockets on the outside and the inside, so I can easily take my possessions out of one purse and put them in another, and I'm done. It just makes my life so much easier, and when I'm looking for something, I'm not rummaging around inside one big pocket. I'm able to use my purse that I love, but be well organized. And that is my point of view.